Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi friends, welcome back to my conversation. I hope you enjoyed my videos and inspire me to make me more videos. If you don't visit my other videos or recent videos, please subscribe this channel and enjoy these videos. So today I am going to show you how to connect your M3 smart bands with your smartphone for your call and message remind and alerts, and also you can get your smart alarms and your lost band functions. So let's do it. First you have a smartphone or a working smartphone up to 5.01 version. Then go to Play Store and download an app named Yoho Sports. Download it. Now install. Okay. After installing, open it. If it wants to take your Bluetooth option, please open your Bluetooth open on your Bluetooth. Then allow all things. Now connect your smart watch smart band by here, and then device. Then turn on your smart watch, smart band, and if you see here anything like this, I don't know, you want show or nothing, see or nothing. Okay, then go to your phone and go to about, go to more and click on about and match this MAC ID here and here. If it will match, please click on unbound. It's connected. So now go to notification and allow all these things: incoming, okay, SMS, okay, WeChat, okay, Facebook, okay, here. Now Line, Instagram, all these things, okay, and back. Then you can set also a smart band, a smart alarm by this. It's bounded. It's singing your smartphone. Okay, then you can also take selfies or pictures by this option. Okay, like this. It takes picture automatically by shaking your smart band like this. One more time. Picture this by shake. Okay, as you can see, it keep picture by shaking my smart band here. Now it has option notification, all okay, smart band, all okay, features. It's really it has two options: inactivity or active with race. I also both okay. Now it shows the pedometer by this here. You can match this option by smartphone and smartwatch. It says 3640, and it has also says there's 640 today steps. It also the sleep monitor, as you can see, heart rate and blood pressure monitor. So friends, that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?